Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In Python, list comprehensions are a concise and efficient way to create lists. They allow you to generate new lists by applying an expression to each item in an iterable. Sometimes, you might need to use a double iterator in a list comprehension, which means iterating over two or more iterable objects simultaneously. This tutorial will explain how to use a double iterator in a list comprehension with code examples. Before we dive into double iterators, let's review a basic list comprehension. This code will create a new list squared underscore numbers containing the squares of the elements in the numbers list. To use a double iterator in a list comprehension, you can iterate over multiple iterable objects simultaneously by using nested for loops. This is useful when you want to create a list by combining elements from two or more lists or other iterable objects. In this example, we have two lists, list 1 and list 2, and we want to create a new list that contains pairs of elements from both lists. The resulting combined underscore list will be a list of tuples containing all possible combinations of elements from list 1 and list 2. You can also filter the elements when using a double iterator. In this example, we have a list of students, and we want to create a new list containing the students whose grades are above a certain threshold. This code creates a passing underscore students list containing dictionaries for students who scored 90 or above. You can extend the concept of double iterators to use multiple iterable objects in a list comprehension. For instance, you can create a list that combines elements from three lists. This code will create a list of tuples containing all possible combinations of elements from list 1, list 2, and list 3. In this tutorial, you learned how to use a double iterator in a list comprehension in Python. You can create new lists by combining elements from multiple iterable objects or filter elements based on specific conditions. Double iterators, and even multiple iterators, can help you generate complex data structures efficiently and effectively. ChatGPT